Hello, I'm Brandon Burton with Legend Brands, the leader in indoor environmental control solutions. Our Dri-Eaz brand of products combine high durability with exceptional performance for drying in a variety of building trade applications. Removing water quickly from building surfaces is important for a number of reasons. Whether you're preventing slip hazards after mopping, drying carpeted floors after cleaning, or dealing with leaks and spills, rapid airflow is critical. Removing unwanted moisture from building materials and surfaces requires an even, rapid flow of air where the evaporation is actually happening along the surface. As water evaporates, it must be quickly and continuously removed in order to allow for additional evaporation to occur. Ensuring this airflow across the entire wet surface will increase the rate of drying and eliminate many moisture-related problems. The Dri-Pod is uniquely designed to deliver airflow along surfaces. Its purpose-designed outlet grill acts as a diffuser, directing air down and out in a 360-degree pattern across the floor. This design ensures a consistent and even flow of air, eliminating slow-drying spots that can lead to problems. The Dri-Pod can effectively cover up to 100 square feet of flooring while only drawing 1.1 amps of power. A single Dri-Pod can be placed in a kitchen or in a bathroom after mopping to quickly evaporate residual water. Eliminating this excess water not only helps prevent slip and fall accidents, it also greatly diminishes the potential for water-related problems on the floor surface, such as mold, odors, and other unwanted indoor air quality issues. To use the Dri-Pod, simply place it in the center of the area to be dried. Plug it in and switch the unit on. When cleaning floors, many users place a unit in one room while they are cleaning or working in the next room. When they're finished, they simply transfer the Dri-Pod to the newly cleaned room and move on to the next room. This is one way the Dri-Pod can be used to help make fast work of almost any floor drying task. The Dri-Pod has fast become one of our most popular products. Its lightweight, compact design and powerful drying capabilities make it one of the best tools available for rapid drying. Choose the Dri-Pod to speed drying on your next project.